Xiaomi has recently launched the Mi TV stick at $38 in the global market and for Rs 2799 in Indian market, and this brings it in the direct competition to the Amazon Fire TV stick that is available at $39, which is almost 3999 in Indian rupees. Both the stick have the same functionality, that is, they convert your old TV into a smart TV. So the obvious question is, what's the difference between the Fire TV stick and the Mi TV stick, and which one you should buy? So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and today in this video I am going to give you a detailed comparison of Mi TV stick and the Fire TV stick, and what's the difference between both these sticks and which one you should buy. So for this, make sure you watch this video till the end and do hit the like and subscribe button for giveaway. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want instant tech updates. So now, without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So starting with the design, the Mi TV stick and the Fire TV stick are almost similar in terms of form factor, and they look like a USB drive. The difference between these two devices is the presence of dual tone color, which is available on Mi TV stick. Also, the remote is little different, as the Mi TV stick remote features a dedicated button for Google Assistant, Prime Video, Netflix, while on the other hand, the Fire TV stick remote has only one button, that is for Alexa. Now the Fire TV stick and the Mi TV stick both support a maximum resolution of 1080p at 60Hz, and in case if you have a 720p resolution TV, then both these sticks can scale down and adapt accordingly. The Fire TV stick has a 4K variant called the Fire TV Sticks 4K, while the Mi TV stick also has a 4K variant called the Mi Box S 4K. Both these 4K variants are available on Amazon. You can go and check out the links in the description box below. Now both the streaming stick offers Netflix and Prime TV support out of the box. In case you are a Hulu subscriber, then Hulu and ESPN Plus support as well. Although do keep in mind, due to licensing restriction, HBO Max and CBS Peacock is not available on Fire TV stick. However, you can side download the Android APK on the Fire TV stick, whereas on the Mi TV stick, both the streaming services work right out of the box. So here the Mi TV stick has an advantage. Now the Mi TV stick and the Fire TV stick can seamlessly connect with either a Bluetooth audio system or a controller, and I also tried pairing the Sony PS4 controller with both of them, and it worked well. And other than this, if you have a Bluetooth audio system or a soundbar, they would also work well with both the streaming sticks. And now if I talk about the performance, the Mi TV stick gets the power of quad-core processor with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage, and it runs on Android 9.0 and comes with Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, while on the other hand, the Fire TV sticks comes with a quad-core processor with similar RAM and storage space, but it has Bluetooth 4.1 LE. Overall, I feel that the performance-wise, both the Mi TV stick and the Fire TV stick support streaming at Full HD videos at 60fps, along with Dolby Atmos and DTS surround sound support. The major playback difference is that Mi TV stick support inbuilt Chromecast support, while the Fire TV stick has a screen mirror support. Now if we compare both these sticks, then they are almost similar, while there are some of the key differences in both these sticks, such as Fire TV sticks has Fire OS, whereas the Mi TV sticks has Android TV support. The Fire TV stick comes with Amazon Alexa support, whereas the Mi TV stick has a support for Google Assistant. And other than this, there are some minor differences such as color. So for me, these differences are so minor, and I feel that both the Fire TV stick and the Mi TV sticks are almost same. But the question is, which one you should buy? So a short answer to this is, I would go for Mi TV stick, because I am getting all these features by spending less amount as compared to Fire TV stick. But if you wanna go with Amazon Fire TV stick, then just because everyone is buying and that product has more reviews, more sales, then obviously you can go for Amazon Fire TV stick also. But let me tell you that Mi TV stick is also same as the Fire TV stick, and there is no difference between both these sticks. So I would suggest you to go with MI TV stick if you want to save some money, and if not, then you can go with Amazon Fire TV stick. You can check out the link for both these sticks in the description box below. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for upcoming tech updates and giveaways, and do follow me on Instagram if you want to connect with me personally. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.